Hello, welcome to Learn Academy. My name is Shala. In this video, we'll be taking a look at one of the foundational topics in mathematics in high school called fractions. So let's look at what a fraction is. A fraction is a mathematical expression in which a number is placed on top of another number. For example, we have the expression a over b. This expression a over b is an example of a fraction, and in a fraction, the one at the top, the number at the top, which is a, is known as the numerator, while the one below, which is b, is known as the denominator. So anytime you see this kind of mathematical expression, is known as a fraction. The one at the top is known as the numerator, while the one below is known as the denominator. So let's look at the types of fractions that we have. Let's look at the type of fraction that we have. The first type of fraction we have is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. You know, a proper fraction is a type of fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. For example, we have 2 over 5. So you will see that the one at the top, the number at the top, which is 2, is actually less than 5. So whenever you have this type of fraction, it's known as proper fraction, because the one at the top, obviously you can see 2 is what is less than 5. You could also have others like 3 over 7. 3 over 7, 3 is less than 7. So whenever you have the numerator less than the denominator, is known as proper fraction. So let's look at the second type of fraction. It's known as improper fraction. In improper fraction, you have the numerator greater than the denominator. For example, when you have this fraction type, which is 7 over 4, you will see that the numerator, which is 7, is greater than the denominator, which is 4. So whenever you have a fraction of this type, is known as improper fraction. And most of the time in any mathematical context, it's often better to actually reduce this improper fraction in a way, because improper fraction is not actually the likely expression to have in any mathematical context. So to break this down further, what we simply do is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So we are going to divide 7 by 4. So if you look at 4, how many times will 4 go in 7? Is 1, remainder 3. So 4 goes in 7 in one places, then it will remain 3, and 4 definitely cannot go in 3. You can take out 4 in 3. So the next step to do is actually to bring down this 1. You bring down this 1 out, which is referred to as 1 whole number. 1 whole number. Then we'll now bring out the 3, then over 4. So that is, we have the 3, which is corresponding to the remainder at the numerator, while the 4 is the original denominator we started with. So 7 over 4 is also same as 1 whole number 3 over 4. So we can also take this back to 7 over 4, the improper fraction we had earlier. What you do is to multiply the current denominator, which is 4. You multiply it by the whole number 1. Then you add 3 to it, plus 3, which is the numerator. Then you divide by 4. Then what you get is your original improper fraction, which is 7 over 4. So we've come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, kindly type in your question in the comment section, and I'll be giving answers to them appropriately. Also click on the like button, subscribe to our channel so that you can get notification of new videos that we are uploading to our channel. Thank you. Bye for now.